हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि मैंने अपने चैनल पर सीडीपी के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस की सीरीज़ स्टार्ट कर रखी है एंड ये उसी सीरीज़ का पार्ट 11 है। सो जिन्होंने भी रिमेनिंग पार्ट्स नहीं देखे हैं वो चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट पर जाकर चेक कर सकते हैं। एंड वीडियो अगर पसंद आती है तो इसे लाइक एंड शेयर ज़रूर कीजिएगा। तो वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं हम अपने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन के साथ। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, इन द प्रोग्रेसिव मॉडल ऑफ एजुकेशन एज इम्प्लीमेंटेड बाय CBSE, socialization of children is done in such a way so as to expect them to first give up time consuming social habits and learn how to score good grades. Second, be an active participant in the group work and learn social skills. Third, prepare themselves to conform to the rules and regulations of society without questioning. या fourth, accept what they are offered by the school irrespective of their social background. So correct answer is option 2. Next, which of the following is based on Vygotsky's socio-cultural theory? First, operant conditioning. Second, reciprocal teaching. Third, culture neutral cognitive development. या fourth, insight learning. So correct answer is option 2, reciprocal teaching. Next is, a teacher says to her class, as individual assignments are designed to help individual students learn more effectively, all students should complete assignments prescribed without any assistance. She is referring to which of the following stages of Kohlberg's moral development? First, conventional stage 4, law and order. Post conventional stage 5, social contract. Third, pre-conventional stage 1, punishment avoidance. या fourth, pre-conventional stage 2, individualism and exchange. तो जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन नंबर 1, स्टेज 4, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर। नेक्स्ट है, 14-year-old Devika is attempting to develop a sense of herself as a separate self-governing individual. She is developing hatred for rules, autonomy, teenage arrogance या maturity. Correct answer is option 2, autonomy. Next, in context of progressive education, which of the following statements is true according to John Dewey? There should not be a place for democracy in a classroom. Students should be able to solve social problems themselves. Third, curiosity does not belong to the inherent nature of students, rather it is to be cultivated. Yeah, fourth, students should be observed and not heard in the classroom. So, correct answer is option 2. Next, a disorder related to language comprehension is apraxia, dyslexia, asphyxia या aphasia. So, correct answer is option 4. Following are the critical views about the theory of multiple intelligences, except it is not research based. Different intelligences demand different methods for different students. Gifted students usually excel in a single domain. Yeah, it lacks of empirical support. So correct answer is option 3. Theory of multiple intelligence cannot be legitimized as it is not possible to measure different intelligences as there are no specific tests. It doesn't place equal importance on all C1 intelligences. Is based only on sound empirical studies done by Abraham Maslow throughout his life. Is not compatible with general intelligence. G, which is most important. So correct answer is option 1. Next, the individual differences of students in a classroom are disadvantageous as teachers need to control a diverse classroom, detrimental as they lead to student conflicts, inexpedient as they reduce the speed of the curriculum transaction to the level of the slowest student, advantageous as they lead teacher to explore a wider pool of cognitive structures. So correct answer is option 4. School-based assessment was introduced to decentralize the power of boards of school education in the country, ensure the holistic development of all the students, motivate teachers to punctuality, record all the activities of students for better interpretation of their progress, encourage schools to excel by competing with the other schools in their area. So correct answer is option 2. Next, which one of the following is not related to other options? Organizing question answer sessions, taking feedback from students on a topic, conducting quiz, modeling the skills of self assessment. So correct answer is option number 3. Next, which one of the following questions is correctly matched with its specific domain? Could you group your students on the basis of their achievement in mathematics, evaluating what was the turning point in the cricket match telecasted last night? Third, write down a new recipe to cook chicken by using herbs. Application. Your fourth, determine which of the given measures would most likely lead to achieve best results. So its correct answer is option 4. Next, which of the following is the most effective way to convey students from disadvantaged sections that you expect them to participate and succeed? First, articulate your confidence in their ability to succeed. Second, develop your own interest in the topics to be taught. Third, compare them with other children as frequently as possible to make them realize their goal. Yeah, fourth, emphasize the point that you have high expectation of them. So correct answer is option 1. Next, following are the examples of developmental disorder except autism, cerebral palsy, post-traumatic stress या attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर 3, पोस्ट ट्रॉमेटिक स्ट्रेस. नेक्स्ट है मल्टीपल पेडागोजिकल टेक्निक्स, असॉर्टेड लर्निंग मटेरियल, मल्टीपल असेसमेंट टेक्निक्स एंड वेरिंग द कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी एंड नेचर ऑफ द कंटेंट are associated with which of the following? Universal design for learning, remedial teaching, differentiated instruction या फिर reciprocal teaching. So its correct answer will be option number 3. Next, which of the following is true about gifted learners? They make everyone else smarter and are essential for collaborative learning. They always lead others and assume extra responsibility in the classroom. They may achieve lower grades due to their heightened sensitivity, yet their importance is primarily due to their brain power. So correct answer is option number 3. Next, inclusion in schools primarily focuses on making subtle provisions for special category children, fulfilling the needs of children with disabilities only, meeting the need of the disabled at the expense of entire class, including the educational needs of illiterate parents in schools. Correct answer is option 1. Next, the cause of learned helplessness in children is their acquired behavior that they will not succeed, callous attitude towards classroom activities, non-compliance with expectations of their parents, moral decision for not taking up studies seriously. So correct answer will be option number 1. If a student is consistently getting lower grades in school, her parents can be advised to help her by working in close association with teachers, withholding mobile phones, movies, comics, and extra time for play, narrating her the hardships of life for those who do not possess proper education, or focusing her to work harder at home. So correct answer is option 1. Which of the following does not deter problem solving? First, insight. Second, mental set. Third, entrenchment. या fourth, fixation. Its correct answer is option 1, that is insight. Next, a teacher is connecting a text to the previously learnt text and showing children how to summarize it. She is first helping children to develop their own strategy to comprehend it. Second, insinuating that there is no need to go through the entire text. Third, reinforcing the importance of text from the assessment point of view. या fourth, encouraging children to mug it up as effectively as possible. So correct answer is option number 1. Next, what kind of errors in common between a learner who is learning his mother tongue and the learner who learns the same language as a second language? Overgeneralization, simplification, developmental या hypercorrection? Correct answer is option 1. The stress affects performance in examination. These facts reflects which of the following relationships? Cognition, emotion, stress, omission, performance anxiety, या fourth, cognition competition? Correct answer is option 1. A teacher is trying to counsel a child who is not performing well after an accident. Which one of the following is most appropriate about counseling in students? It is about the palliative measures for making people comfortable. It builds self-confidence of people by letting them explore their own thoughts. It is about giving the best possible advice to students about their future career options. It can be done only by the professional experts. So correct answer is be option number 1. इसका आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर 2 होगा, 1 नहीं. नेक्स्ट है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वुड एनकरेज द लीस्ट अ स्टूडेंट हु वांट्स टू बिकम अ हाईली क्रिएटिव थिएटर आर्टिस्ट? Try to win the state level competition that will ensure you scholarship. Develop empathetic, amicable and supportive relationship with your peer theater artist. Devote your time to those theatrical skills that you find most enjoyable. Read about the performance of the world's best theater artists and try to learn. Correct answer is option 3. Which of the following theorists would be of the opinion that students study hard for their personal growth and development? Bandura, Maslow, Skinner या Piaget? So correct answer will be option number 2. Which of the following factors supports learning in a classroom? Increasing the number of tests to motivate children to learn, supporting the autonomy of children by the teachers, sticking to one particular method of instruction to maintain uniformity, या increasing the time interval of periods from 40 minutes to 50 minutes. Correct answer will be option number 2. Mature students first believe that emotion has no place in their studies, resolve easily all their conflicts with their intellect, sometimes need emotional support in their studies, does not get upset by studies in difficult situations. Correct answer is option 3. Next, a child coming to preschool for the first time cries profusely after 2 years. When the same child goes to the primary school for the first time, he does not express his tension by crying, rather his shoulder and neck muscles become tense. This change in his behavior can be explained on the basis of which of the following principles? Development proceeds in a sequential manner. Development is gradual. Development is different in different people. Development is characterized by differentiation and integration. So correct answer is option 1. Which of the following statement is true? Genetic makeup impacts responsiveness of an individual to qualities of the environment. Adoptive children possess the same IQs as their adoptive siblings. Experience does not influence brain development. Intelligence remains unaffected by the schooling. So correct answer is option number 1. सो गाइज़, ये थे आज के इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस. आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए ताकि आगे आने वाले वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आपको टाइमली मिल सके. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.